Hi, I'm Ray. Well, can we believe it's July and we've had lots of lovely weather and lots of lovely flowers, but we can still sow some more seeds for the garden for this year, and we can make a start for the following year. So let me show you 10 seeds that we can start in July. So what seeds can we sow in July? Well, the first one is Calendula. They can be sown directly into the ground and will provide a late season of colour and lovely orange and yellow flowers. They will really brighten up your garden. The second flowers you can do is wallflowers. So these are one of the best plants for spring gardens. Wallflowers provide a splash of colour when there's nothing else in flower. And this is single mixed, and it's a hardy biennial. Sow in a prepared bed in rows 9 inches apart, and we'll start seeing seedlings between 14 and 28 days. The next one on our list is foxglove, and these grow up to 30 inches high, excellent for borders, beds and containers, and these are ideal for cottage garden. Sow these on top of a well prepared service. No need for any covering on the top, just make sure it's damp. And we've got Excelsior hybrids mixed, Primrose Carousel and another Excelsior mixed, and these are great. These will flower the following year. The next we got is Delphinium, and this is Pacific Giants mixed, and these are excellent for borders. The towering spikes create a real impact and a classic for mixed borders. Early sowings will sometimes flower the same year. Sow these in rows 12 inches apart, covered lightly with a fine soil. So next on our list is Coleus, and these are great for house plants or for in the garden. These can be sown February to April for a house plant, or they could be sown outdoors for your outdoor garden. And this is rainbow mixed, great for house and garden, container or bedding plant, prefers partly shaded position in well drained soil. So next on our list is Sweet William, and this is early summer scented, and it's a hardy biennial, and these are ideal for beds and borders, and it's a rich flower, colours with a slight scent. Seedlings will appear 14 to 30 days, and they're a great fragrant cut flower in late spring and early summer. And we've got early summer scented and Excelsior mix. Next we got is a poached eggplant. This is a hardy annual. This can be sown from March through to May, or then again July through to October. So June and October sowings will flower early the following year, but they may need protection over winter. The next one on the list is Sweet Rocket. And this is a hardy perennial, and this is a perfect cottage garden. Hardy perennial that flowers the year after sowing, and it attracts the beneficial insects. Sow direct outside in moist compost or soil, and thin seedlings 2 inches apart. And that is mixed Sweet Rocket. The next we got is a cornflower. And these are easy to grow, a free flowering double bloom. A typical cottage garden plant, attracts the birds and bees. Large sweetly scented white flowers, ideal for cottage gardens, wildlife or cutting gardens. And we've got the Bride, and we've also got Tor Mix, hardy annual. And then last on our list is why not still try a sneaky sunflower. And we've got Giant Single. This is a statement plant, easy to grow, wonderful cut flower and easy to grow with your children. So I hope that helps you with the top 10 flowers that you can sow in July. And if you're growing vegetables, you can still do radish and dwarf French beans, or even winter cabbages can be started now in July, along with Swiss chard and coriander and beetroot. They can all be done. Turnips, they can also be done in July, just to keep your allotment and your vegetable garden growing. So, thank you for watching, and as I said at the start, tell me in the comments, what flowers are you growing and what vegetables are you growing, and that'd be really great. And if you check out this video at the top, this will show you how to grow foxgloves from seed.